Tux. That's good, buddy. No tails near the door. Hi. Here, this one is yours with the chicken. Hi, Morris. You and Tux come and eat. Yeah, you and Tuxie come and eat because you guys haven't had anything yet. Good morning. I came out here at midnight last night in the cold. I had to bundle up because my hair was wet, and I grabbed Tux off of the green thing down there, which is not heated, and I set him up here because it was empty, and he did settle down on his heating pad. I worry about my boy being right. Stripe goes in the garage, and there's room for Marty next to Tux or next to Morris. Morris was in the cat hotel. Hi, Marty. Hi, Martin. Yeah. Stripey's at my feet, too. All right. It's getting a little dry, but it's great state fair weather. Michelle said some of Ariel's artwork was at the fair in one of the buildings this year. I don't know if it's just one piece or a bunch of pieces, but Ariel has some of her. You might remember last year she had this great Frankenstein drawing. I had to ask Michelle to send me a picture of what went on display. I'm curious to see. So Ariel and Connor are going to homecoming tonight at Willow Springs High School, and they asked us to drive them there in Ruby. We're supposed to be over to Michelle's house at 7:15. I mean, of course we said yes. And Dawn is going to get Ruby cleaned up a little bit today. She's not really homecoming ready. Well, we drove to Charlotte and it was raining. So I went and dug up a piece of forsythia that was growing down there by the bridge where we don't want it, and planted it in this pot I got at Guardian Angel the other day, and put some pansies in there. And it's just a little pile, but remember, a little bit at a time goes a long way for not getting blisters for me. Surprisingly, Don put a new blade in for me, and it's not cutting well, so I'll ask him about it. I clipped the pots back. This has got that really tall yellow cut leaf coneflower, and then this is mostly, well, there's a little bit of cut leaf too, some archangel, but most of the archangel is over here. We were going to plant that down by the bridge, and I've got a little more pansies to do. I'll have to think about which pot I want to put them in. It won't take long to plant them. I've just not totally made up my mind which one yet. This pot just has some hosta in it and some creeping Jenny that the squirrels basically destroy at every chance, so I don't know. Maybe buy another used pot at Guardian Angel, or I don't know. I'll think about it. I'm specifically thinking about this pot with the coleus. Any impatiens. Has some room in it. I don't know. I haven't decided. I'll think about it. Hi. I've had Tux, Stripe, and Marty walking to where I am, checking on me, seeing me. They've been good kitties, good company this morning. Don and I are still fasting. 48 hours is 1 o'clock. We're probably going to make it somewhere between 46 and 47 hours. And then I'm going to cook us food, and we'll go for a walk afterward. There's a little bit of yard stuff happening off in the distance, but it's mostly a nice, peaceful morning out here. I enjoyed working outside for a few minutes. Don was like, "Way, where you been?" And I'm like, you know, I did a little bit of this, and then I did a little bit of that, and then, you know, pulled a piece of stilt grass here, planted a pansy there, you know, just normal stuff. Yeah, I took that piece of forsythia between the two big bushes down there. I want to be able to continue to walk between the bushes, because getting over the log and down there to pull and stuff, that's really the easiest walking spot that's level, that you're not walking on a hill, is between the two bushes. So I don't know what I'll do with the forsythia. Give it away to somebody, probably, in that inexpensive pot from Guardian Angel. So if you're local and you want a piece of forsythia, reach out. Hey, Gray. Hi. Hi, honey. Hi, there you go. Good girl. Hi. Hi. Hello.
Hello, I'm eating.
So when you fast for 46.5 hours, you get steak, bacon, and eggs with cheese, Vidalia onions, and salsa.
That's right.
Plus a lot of salt.
Plus, I put a great...
Ample amounts of salt.
Lots of salt.
We've got 2 X's in the parking lot today. This newer model, white one, black trim and Tesla across the back. And this older model, Midnight Silver Metallic, has the T on the back side of it. And then, of course, we're here in Jules. If there's any more up along the building, I didn't notice them on the way in.
Yeah, I'm starting to watch.
Yep, I got my exercise going too. I spotted this red Mustang Mach-E also. It's just gorgeous out here. Good temp, a little bit of a breeze, sunny. Doesn't feel super hot today, although I imagine in this long sleeve shirt I've got on, I'm going to be hot by the time we're done exercising. You know, it's layer weather and I'm not good at layering. I can sum up the major problem with America right here. No pride in your community, no care about anybody else, not willing to do the right thing. And there's stuff out there too. There's an i3, I saw a Bolt, and I also saw a Nero. Your watch finally got here. FedEx liked to give us a coronary.
Yeah.
It was supposed to be here Thursday, didn't show up after we waited around. Supposed to be delivered Friday, never showed up. And then
last night they said that it was delayed or something, would be delivered the next business day, which I assumed was Monday. But good news, it got here today. It's Mission to
Saturn.
Saturn.
Yep.
And there it is.
Very nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's
light.
It's light. We really like our FedEx driver. I mean, we really do. We know first name basis all the way around. He's a good guy. He says sometimes what happens is the packages don't end up on his truck, and if it's not on his truck, he can't deliver it. So I assume that's what happened. But anyway, it's here now, thank goodness. But guess where it was? It's down at the mailbox, on the ground, beside the mailbox, near the flowers. Not in the mailbox or up here at the house. Brandon, the nice driver, he only works one Saturday a month. And when it's the other guys, they don't do the right thing. Brandon would have never left our package down there, ever. Gray and I just finished yesterday's video. Dawn's out here cleaning up the homecoming chariot. I sent Michelle a picture of you I took through the window. And he can't hear me. And she was... And the kids are super appreciative, so looking good. On this side of the house, I'm going to build the fancy gate that it just slides in front. And on this side of the house, I'm going to build the fancy gate so that it's part of the house. I'm not sure which I'm going to like better, and I'm going to try it both ways. There's the gate that's attached, and here's the one that's not attached. And I didn't get to finish, but that's okay. It's a pretty easy building, though. Just, you know, takes a little time to get the parts. Look at that clean windshield.
Yeah.
We're almost to Michelle's house to pick up the kids. I don't know, Michelle has, is it the one with the flag on the mailbox?
I think so.
Nope.
The one right.
The one with the inflatable lit up. Okay, it's hard to tell at night. I was going to say, I don't know if anything will be lit up tonight or not, but I see we've got the super giant alien. I like it. I actually really like it. Connor has been very busy.
Right.
Wow. We've gotten very spooky here. Very spooky. the animatronics will be out for Halloween itself. Home sweet haunted home. Oh, look at Wyatt. Hi, Wyatt. And yes to you too, Jarvis. Yes to you too. Yes, yes. There's Jarvis. Oh my goodness. Look at you, you little tiny thing. Hi. Hello. You were looking for your people. Your people are currently getting dressed. See, she has a heating pad in there. I see. Hi. Hi, sweet pea. Hi. Oh my goodness.
Clock in there.
Oh.
Oh, no, the heartbeat.
Hi, baby. Okay, Jarvis. Okay, Jarvis. Jarvis is
Let's see, which side is going to open up on the school?
probably the right side, if I had to guess.
Riding in style. No
Well,
need fun for these guys. Bye, Mommy. Bye, Daddy.
All right, Donnie, time to seal them in.
So I'm going to put it in a time capsule.
That's right.
Oh, beautiful.
It's the vehicle of the astronauts.
Yep. Amen. Thank you, Eli.
Yes,
Absolutely.
absolutely.
I'm on the wrong arm. All my stuff is on the other one.
Well, you guys have a great time.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Pictures. I'll take pictures and show you.
You have chocolate thunder.
I do. An apple crunch.
Michelle's house is, you know, right here at Porter's.
Yeah.
So, and they close for the year in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Right at Halloween. So we stopped in. Don did offer to get me a mum, but I decided not this year. It sure is pretty and all autumn feeling and always so nicely decorated here. I inhaled my milkshake, my pumpkin milkshake. It was excellent. And I'm cold, even though I have on my jacket. Aw. Field trip pumpkins, $5 each. Yeah, it looks great here.